Hey, when it comes to aches and pains, sometimes we all need help from a specialist. And the same for our pets. From acupuncture to massage, Sun Dog Cat Moon can help your pets ease their pain. Dr. Ruth Roberts, along with Michael Daly, is here to tell us more about it. And this is something that might not be new to the two of you, but it's fairly new to a lot of folks that are out there not realizing that something that may be wrong with the shoulder or the back of their animal can be taken care of either by acupuncture or massage.
That's right, Tom. There's a whole host of options too, and most people think of pain medications for quick relief, which are important, but for long-term suffering for pets that have, say, arthritis that's going on and they're getting older and situations where those medications may become toxic, that's where acupuncture, massage, cold laser therapy, and a whole host of other supplements can become very helpful.
Because just like a human being, if there's a pain that's there, you don't necessarily need to take medication for it. You need to find out what's causing that pain to see if you can do it generically, so to speak, or through exercise, or through massage, or through acupuncture, before you start putting so-called chemicals in there.
Right. Yeah. Well, and sometimes we need both. I mean, frankly, for a 12-year-old dog that's had arthritis most of its life, they need help, and they need it now so they can keep moving. So we'll use those medications, but then we'll use these other techniques of acupuncture, which helps to move stagnation, which is what is considered to cause pain in Chinese medicine, as well as cold laser therapy. And that's a beautiful technique. It's a laser light that's used to help improve blood flow to a sore area and actually improve drainage away from the area to get rid of those bad stuff.
A laser light to start the flow or to help the flow of blood.
Help improve flow of blood to an area that's stagnant. And then the other lovely thing about it is that it produces endorphins, which are the body's natural painkillers. So we can in fact help the body work better. And the other thing we've been using a tremendous amount is massage, which is Mike's specialty.
Right. Yeah, and it's funny because whenever
tell us about that. I mean, where do you get training? Where do you get canine massage training?
Well, it's actually a certification program, and it took about 6 months. And it was just a lot of case studies and a lot of muscle memorization. You know, things like cervicus longissimus and serratus ventralis thoracicus. You know, things that muscle words that make you sound smarter than you are, pretty much.
Yeah. Tell us about that, because I'm sure after you've performed, and I mean this in a little bit of a joking way, I'm sure that after you've performed the massage a couple of times on a dog, they're wanting to go home with you.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, I mean, they're liking it. They're liking it.
Yeah, well, so it's funny because the first two things that people either say to me or ask me when I say I'm a certified massage therapist is they'll turn around, show me their back, and they'll be like, do you work on people? We all laugh, and it's very funny.
Yeah.
Or they picture, like, you know, taking Fifi to the spa to get a facial and booba bath and massage. And, you know, those are, yes, I can do that for you if you'd like.
It's more of a pampering. Yes.
Right, exactly.
But what you get into a lot of times, you can do the pampering, but what you get into a lot of times is taking the pain or something that is physically wrong with the animal and bringing them back to new almost.
Right, yeah. So there's many other benefits. I mean, it helps decrease the pain of arthritis, and it's actually been breathtaking because being able to work as Sun Dog Cat Moon, we have a lot of older dogs that come in, like Dr. Roberts said, and they'll come in limping, and after a session of massage or acupuncture, they'll leave running. And so it's been absolutely breathtaking to be able to be part of that.
It's just a lot of times finding out where that problem is and maybe relocating or putting pressure in a different area.
So a lot of times as dogs get older, they start to lose the muscle in their back legs, and so everything goes to the front. So basically older dogs, you have them pretty much walking on their front legs most of their life.
Shepherds, for one thing. I mean, they always seem to have, German Shepherds have the problem with the
lots of breeds. And then we think about the big dogs with hip dysplasia, but in truth, it's all breeds. So these little Chihuahuas that may have had bad knees all of their lives, they've been doing the same thing, putting all their weight forward on the front end, and so that ends up developing shoulder issues, back problems, things of that nature. So what happens is the longer you hold something tight, this is where all of these techniques become so important. You can release that tightness so that the animal's able to adjust its posture more normally and move with much less pain and discomfort.
Sun Dog Cat Moon, I'll tell you what, you guys have it all over there. And you're taking care, from all perspectives, you're taking care of our pets.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
It's a balance.
Check them out, 2908 Maybank Highway, Johns Island, 437-0063. Give those folks a call or an email, and they'll be more than happy to help you with your pet. Now let's turn it over to Eric.